Have you ever wondered how your favorite French fries are made? Well, it's not just a potato and a knife. We're going inside one of the biggest French fry factories in the world to see the magic happen. It all starts here, with literal tons of potatoes getting dumped onto a conveyor belt. First, they get a high-pressure water bath to scrub them clean. Then, a steam peeler blasts the skin right off in seconds. It's so satisfying to watch. Next, they shoot through a water-powered cutter at over 60 miles per hour, turning them into those perfect fry shapes we all know and love. After getting sorted by size and checked for any imperfections by high-tech scanners, they take a quick dip in hot oil to get that perfect texture. Finally, they're flash frozen and packaged, ready to be shipped out and cooked to crispy perfection. From a muddy potato to a golden fry in just a few minutes. Mind-blowing, right? Thanks for watching.